Benvenuto, welcome to Cherry Hill Home Cooking. My name is Mark. If you hear some coughing and sniffing, that's Wade holding the camera. He's got a little cold, which he's not going to give to me no matter what, right?
We'll see.
Anyway, so today we're going to make some chicken drumsticks, barbecue chicken drumsticks in the crock pot. This is a super easy way to make drumsticks, you know what I'm saying, guys, right? And again, it's getting to be crock pot season. So, all right, so what we need is, I've got just about 3 pounds, 8 drumsticks, rinsed and patted dry, okay? Next ingredient is our barbecue sauce. Now, you can use whatever your favorite barbecue sauce is. Normally, I would use, what's the one we like a lot? Sweet Baby Ray's. But because we're trying to cut down on sugars, I'm going to try this sugar-free barbecue sauce. It tastes good. It smells good. Hopefully, the drumsticks will come out as good as when I use the Sweet Baby Ray's. We need so for our seasoning, we need some salt and pepper. We need some onion powder, some smoked or sweet paprika, whichever you want, and we need some brown sugar. Again, but we're only using a tablespoon of the brown sugar, but I'm going to use this Trivia Sweet Complete, so trying to eliminate as much of the carbs as possible, and we'll see how it comes out. All right, now, that's it, guys. You know, we got our crock pot. You need at least a 4 quart. I got the 6 quart one in there. It'll be fine. Now, you can skip the next step and just put your seasoning in your barbecue sauce. I have found that it really does come out a little bit better if you do it this way. So we got all of our seasoning in there, but I'm trying to keep everything uncontaminated, and I went and touched it. But, all right, let's get our chicken in there. So if you don't want to waste a bag, you can do this. Mix it in with your barbecue sauce. All right. Yeah, well, I've already touched it all anyway, so. All right, so then, just want to shake it around. Get everything nicely coated. You don't have to let this sit or anything. I have a recipe that I do similar to this that I bake in the oven, but I do let the drumsticks sit overnight. But with this one, it's not necessary. So just try to get a little ear out of there. Them nicely coated. And give them a little massage. Yep, it's crock pot season again. It's hard to believe how fast this summer, of course depending upon when you're watching it, how fast this summer has flown by. We haven't gotten in the pool in a couple of weeks. It's just been too chilly in our area. Well, actually, Wade and we had a couple friends over last weekend, and Wade and Andrew and Alina, they went in the pool. I was too chicken. It was just about 71. So, all right, that's good, guys. So I have happened to put my crock pot liner in there. You don't have to do that, but I had them, so I thought I'd use it. And basically, I'm just gonna dump our chicken in there. Of course, I opened it and then closed it. All right. Now, you can do any kind of chicken. You could use thighs if you want for this recipe, skinless, boneless thighs. Now I do like this. When I make this, I always do get the drumsticks with the skin on. You could, and this is one of the few crock pot recipes that I don't brown them ahead of time. You could. I don't think it's necessary. All right. So then we got our barbecue sauce, and that's all we got to do, guys. Pour it over the top. But like I said, you can use boneless chicken thighs. You can use the little if you want to make chicken wings instead, or the little, you could use those. So you want to keep in mind it's about 3 pounds of whatever kind of chicken you're using to 2 cups of sauce. If you want to make more, then double your sauce and double your chicken. All right, I've just kind of distributed that all around the top. Make sure each piece gets a little. All right, so then we're going to cover it. And on high, 4.5, 5 hours. On low, 6.5, 7 hours. I'm going to set it for, I always like to do chicken on low. I'm going to set it on low, and I'm going to do it for 7 hours. Probably turn out more like 6.5. And you'll know that your chicken is done when the bone starts to, separate, the flesh starts to separate from the bone. All right, and we're all set, right? There we go. So we'll see you in 6.5, 7 hours. Okay guys, I know it may not seem it as you're watching this video, but it's 6 hours later. Our drumsticks are done. I'll just show you what they look like. Really what I want to show you is, one of the ways we could tell they're done, of course, is they've cooked for 6 hours, but we're starting to get some separation from the bone. So those are all nice and cooked. All right, I'm going to plate them up and we'll give them a taste. See you in a little bit. Hi guys, we're back and we're going to give our drumsticks a taste. Ooh, yep. Now, not that I don't know what these taste like, but we did use the no sugar barbecue sauce. So that's something a little bit new, that at least that we did with this recipe. They look delicious. They smell delicious.
Yep. Just take them out of the pot. They're
falling off the bone. Now, if we were having this for supper, of course, we would, have a vegetable or something with it, or a salad. A lot of times I cook these, whether I bake them or do the crock pot, and then Wade will just kind of have one after work if he's hungry between, the time he gets home and dinner. So I don't necessarily always do this as a meal, but it's more of like to have a snack in the refrigerator, something that's ready to just be heated up quickly.
Wow, it smells good.
Doesn't it? And he's got a cold, so.
Wow, good.
Yep, I don't think, I think
that's delicious.
That's delicious, yeah. Whether you use the, look how, fall off the bone. I don't think you could pick that up.
That is awesome.
Yeah, I think with the sugar-free barbecue sauce, it's just as good as with the, when I've used, the baby raised, but not better, but just as good. Very good. All right, well, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching us do this quick crock pot recipe, or slow cocoa, whatever you want to call it. I hope you try it.
Yep, well worth it.
Very good. Well worth it. It's 6 hours. Anyway, thank you.
Please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.
Ciao.
Bye.
Ooh, that's delicious.
That is good.